To get Afterpay for Business, start by visiting the Afterpay website and selecting the business option. You will be required to provide basic business information, including your business name, address, and contact details. Ensure you have an Australian business number and are registered for goods and services tax. Next, you will need to create an account and provide additional information about your business, including your website and social media handles. Afterpay will also require you to provide information about your products and services, including pricing and payment terms. Afterpay will review your application and may request additional information to verify your business. This may include financial statements, identification documents, and proof of business ownership. Once your application is approved, you will be able to integrate Afterpay into your online checkout system. To integrate Afterpay, you will need to install a plugin or module on your website, depending on your e-commerce platform. Afterpay provides integrations for popular platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. You will also need to configure your payment settings and test your checkout system to ensure it is working correctly. As a business, it is essential to understand the fees associated with using Afterpay. You will be charged a merchant fee on each transaction, which is a percentage of the sale amount. You will also be charged a payment processing fee. Afterpay also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your account and track your sales. To get the most out of Afterpay for your business, it is crucial to clearly display the Afterpay option at checkout and provide customers with a seamless payment experience. You should also ensure that you are complying with all relevant laws and regulations, including those related to consumer credit and financial services. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay into your business and offer your customers a convenient and flexible payment option. This can help to increase sales, reduce cart abandonment, and improve customer satisfaction.